Alright, today I'll show you how to pick a master lock, just this padlock right here, with these auto jigglers that I got on Southward.com. I'm gonna pick this padlock in under 5 seconds. So I'm gonna use this one right here. Alright, you ready? Timing. Locked and everything. Go. There it is. Open. Do it again. There we go. I used out all these different ones, and a few of them worked within a minute on this, but this one definitely works the best. Sometimes it's just like a key. You just stick it in and it turns and it opens like a key. But some of these other ones here don't work as well. Some of them do work though. Like this one right here, it might work. Yeah, see, that worked. I'm gonna try this one right here. I don't think this one works. Oh, yeah, there it is. So basically, all of them work pretty well. Like something like that might not work too well on this. It probably still will work, but I don't know. Yeah, see, that won't work. But this small one definitely works the best. Again, it was just regular master padlock. I'll put the description or the link to get these in the description. They work really well. Padlocks and stuff like this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. If you have any questions, comment or send me a message. Thanks for watching. Bye.